Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Spotify username. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface where you can explore the musics. Now, in order to change your Spotify username, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now at the top, you can see the view profile option. Tap on it. Now in this screen, you can see the edit option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the name option. You can see the name field over here. Tap on it. Now you can edit your name over here. And once you are done, you can tap on the save button at the top right corner. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your Spotify username. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.